Looks like somebody was moving out. I wonder if the vacuum they had in their storage room for years. Looks like the canister's half full. So I'm gonna just throw it in the truck and do it another day. I don't even have tools here. Well, things have dried out a bit here now. I'll plug this in and see if it fires up. I haven't emptied the canister, nothing. Just the way I found it. There's definitely suction here. Let's see if the brush bar is actually working. That's why they put it out there, because the bar isn't working. Plus it's kind of plugged too. Now that's what you call sort of plugged, eh? The brush bar. I'm thinking that the belt burnt off, because there's definitely suction. Look at the rope in there and hair, and these two wings here, you push them apart. Cover comes off. Oh, you got a bulb inside. And of course the belt is burnt off. I'll show you something neat. Even though the belt broke, there's a spare belt behind here. I'm gonna use that one. Clip here, you got to push in right there. You got to push it that way and we'll unclip it. And this come off like that. See, you pull this off and you see these are felts. The felts are still in good shape. That's to stop the dust from getting into the bearing. I didn't want to put it all back together because I'm going to wash everything. So, well, the filter's quite dirty. And it's got those two little hooks in there you got to unhook. I can dump that out. You're supposed to be able to turn it this way to unhook the filter. There's the filter. There's a little snap ring right here, and then the light will come off this piece. We're going to wash this piece. Oh, I got the HEPA filter. You don't want to wash this in water. You just want to blow it out with air. Phillips screwdriver right here. You want to get that little plastic piece off. That just pries off. And this plastic piece will come off, and then you got one screw in behind. I'll show you that. It's hidden there. One screw here. Pull this white piece out. Off just like that. And wash this. You don't even have to take the tensioner off. But that big long screw out from which is right here, and you slide it down this way and it comes off. After those two screws, I just took a screwdriver and pried it and open it up. There's that case. Put it aside over here. There's the cover and the motor. Don't want to wash this though. You can just blow it out with air. Okay, we can just mark it, which is top. Let's put a T. Top. Vibration rubber, that can be washed. Now the turbines, if there's there'll be stuff inside there, so you want to get Q-tips, and you can clean it all with Q-tips. I guess I'll just undo the cord. Okay, the white side, I'm gonna put knots in here so I know which is neutral. No, I don't think I can even. Then I have to disconnect it from here. Probably just. Oh, maybe I can just unscrew that. Not to pull it up and break the wire. So it's just got a switch. And that's what activates it right here, is just this steel rod. There. I can take the wire off. I probably will have to take the knot out to get it through there on the white. You don't want to put this into water, just want to blow it out with air and give it a wiping. So I'm going to put this aside for now. The last little bit of cleaning.